When we travel, most of us skip working out, eat at all-you-can-eat hotel breakfast buffets, and indulge in foods and drinks that we might otherwise try a little harder to avoid. However, while we're on vacation, there are still plenty of places to enjoy healthy dishes that don't involve any compromises between boozy margaritas and fried falafels. And while you're on vacation, why don't you treat yourself a little more? Here are 10 of the most expensive, healthy restaurants in the world. Number 1. Plant Food and Wine. Plant Food and Wine, designed as a communal gathering space, provides a one-of-a-kind experience centered on delicious, health-conscious food in the space's flowing indoor-outdoor setting. The 70-seat restaurant is reminiscent of welcoming backyard dinner parties in sunny Southern California, complete with olive trees and blooming greenery. More intimate gatherings are possible thanks to a private dining and wine room located across from the outdoor area. Along with their house-made burger, one of their most popular dishes is their mushroom toast with ricotta, truffle aioli, chives, and greens. Number 2. Avant Garden. New York is a great place to look for vegan fine dining restaurants, and Avant Garden is a tiny vegan restaurant putting out some excellent and very original food. This is a perfect place if you want refined food and fine wines served in a cozy setting. For $23, you can order the house-made spaghetti with smoked mushrooms. For $25, you can order the Kalaspara rice paella with merguez royal trumpet, red pepper cream, and almonds. But unlike any other healthy restaurants, you won't find any veggie burgers here. Number 3. Transformer. Transformer is a unique veggie bar that is as high-end as you'll find anywhere in Australia. Apart from their award-winning architecture and a fine wine selection, Chef Luke Florence's food is the main attraction, which is half vegan, half plain veggie, and entirely delicious. The menu spans continents, including soba noodles with smoked tofu and gnocchi made from airy golden puffs of rye flecked with ricotta and a pumpkin mousse. Their salads are also excellent with a zingy Asian twist. Their grilled king oyster mushrooms with confit garlic and pine nut puree are a must-order. Number 4. RH Rooftop. RH Rooftop, located at the roof of Restoration Hardware, is one of the most talked about additions to the brunch scenes, and there are plenty of healthy options on the deck. A prosciutto and delice board with seasonal fruit, strawberry preserves, and warm baguette is available for $45 per person. You can also try their Caesar salad with romaine, Parmigiano Reggiano, and sourdough crouton for $20. And for $38 each, try the broiled salmon with honey, black pepper, brown butter, and lemon, or the roasted half chicken with garlic confit, potato puree, and natural juice. These are not just luxurious, but also healthy. Number 5. Kops. Based in Berlin, fully vegan Kops serves a variety of culinary masterpieces to diners, such as winter truffle made with strozzapreti, pear, and walnuts, or grilled artichoke with vegan caviar. The restaurant was named one of the world's 11 best vegetarian restaurants by CNN, and ranked in OpenTable's top 50 in 2015, fulfilling its mission of making vegetables sexy for you. They offer a very creative vegan composition that is surprisingly balanced with very different ingredients. They also have a variety of tasty courses on the menu, as well as a pleasant atmosphere and attentive service. If you've made it this far into the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more health-related content, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we release new videos. Now, back to the video. Number 6. The Ravens. The Ravens is part of the Stanford Inn Eco Resort and is located on the idyllic Mendocino coast in California. The Raven serves a fully plant-based organic menu. Along with hand-rolled sushi and rustic flatbreads, which are $17 each, the restaurant also serves signature dishes such as the sea palm and root vegetable strudel, which cost $36. They also serve several delectable vegan desserts such as a coconut-based creme brulee and a pecan tart. Number 7. Chiodi Latini New Food. This restaurant, named after its founder, Chef Antonio Chiodi Latini, places a strong emphasis on sourcing its ingredients locally. This does not only ensure freshness, but also reduces the menu's carbon footprint by requiring less transportation, refrigeration, preservatives, and packaging. The constantly changing menu includes Italian classics with a twist, such as green borracho orecchiette and Italian fried asparagus. The menu items are not dishes but innovations, as the restaurant is focused on providing its diners with an Epicurean experience that they will never forget. Patrons can enjoy 7 innovations of taster menu for €55. Additionally, Chiodi Latini New Food also serves chicory coffee and glasses of vegetable extract. Number 8. Nobu. Nobu is a well-known restaurant chain with 47 locations in the United States, London, and around the world. Nobu is primarily known for its extensive seafood and sushi menu. However, as veganism has spread, several vegan options at Nobu have emerged. As a vegan, you can confidently enter any Nobu restaurant and enjoy a delicious meal. The quinoa truffle risotto at Nobu is a rich, delicious, and hearty dish. To get your protein fix, you can replace a cheese-filled risotto with quinoa. And just by replacing the risotto with quinoa, this dish becomes completely vegan. If you want a vegan version of Nobu's signature dish, the black cod miso, you should order the eggplant miso, which is just as appetizing and delicious as the original signature dish. Number 9. Yumus Hortense. Yumus Hortense in Brussels was recently named the best vegan restaurant in the world. The title comes from Amsterdam's Weird Smart Taste Summit, where it defeated 800 competitors. According to Brussels Times, everything served at the restaurant is seasonal, local, and organic. All of the wines on their menu are also organic and natural. For lunch, they offer a full experience menu for €148. For dinner, they offer a pure full experience at €152 and wild full experience at €164. Number 10. Celine. Celine has been around for over 3 decades and is widely regarded as the best restaurant in Santorini. Everything on their menu is made using local ingredients, and even veggie haters won't be able to resist their multi-textured, one-of-a-kind salad. For starters, they offer vegetarian carpaccio and cacio pensato made from amberjack, beetroot, radish, and framboise vinegar. For the first course, they offer from Mani to Santorini with love made from Mani red prawns, numpulo, carrot, and elderflower. For the main course, they offer sea urchin, lemon, and nduja spaghetti. They also have terrier made from red mullet, wild fennel pesto, zucchini, and pistachio. And they have milk-fed lamb made from Tino's artichoke, chickpeas, and sage. And finally, for dessert, they offer Santorini pistachio palette, cucumber confit, and bitter chocolate tart. And you can get the full meal for $160, which is definitely a bang for your buck. Almost every restaurant nowadays offers healthy options. If not, the meals can occasionally be modified to meet your dietary needs. Some people prefer whole protein-rich foods like steak or fish with a side of vegetables and possibly a baked potato. However, most restaurants also offer vegetarian options. Simply take your time reading through the menu and you will almost certainly find something healthy. However, keep in mind that eating healthy doesn't have to come in luxury. That's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more health-related content, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video, and I'll see you on the next one.